Welcome back to SundayPips, showing you my best pairs for this upcoming week. EuroUSD, all the time frames are going up. Weekly is bullish and daily is bullish, and 4 hour is also bullish. Easy pull back into the zone. 1 hour will probably go bearish to, it's probably bearish right now, so it will continue creating lower lows and lower highs back into this area of interest. And then once it shifts structure, I would then look for my entry and engulfing candle. If I get it, I then take the trade. Stop loss will be under the zone and take profit will be up here. Yeah, get it. NZD CAD weekly. Yeah, let me give you a little homework. Is this bullish or bearish? Is NZD CAD weekly bullish or bearish? Put your answer down in the comments and don't change it. If you need a little more time, you can pause the video. Let's dive back here. Lower low, market structure, body candle close under the lower low, making this the new lower low. This was the lower high, this the lower low. We body candle close under, making this right here the new lower low, and this the lower high. So if you said weekly is bearish, you are wrong, because if you look back here, we never body candle close under the higher low, so we are still bullish on the weekly. I'm kidding. Current price action matters way more than whatever happened before the first bird was invented. This happened back in 2022. It's not that far back, but like I said, current price action matters way more. So in my opinion, weekly is bearish. Daily is also bearish, and 4 hour is bullish. I'm gonna wait for a shift of structure on the 4 hour. I'm gonna wait for 4 hour to go bearish, and on this, and then wait for a pullback. And on this pullback, I'll go down to the 1 hour. 1 hour will probably go bullish to create this pullback on the 4 hour. And then once it shifts structure, I would then take the trade. Stop loss will be some above the zone. Take profit one will be at the weekly structure point, because if price pulls, if it gets down here, we could create a double bottom or whatever I call it, then price will probably reverse. So it's best you close your trade right here. And the final take profit, if everything goes great, this should be the final take profit. GBP NZD, this is probably my favorite pair for next week. You better not do me dirty. All the time frames are going down. The weekly bearish, daily bearish, and the 4 hour also bearish. I'm gonna wait for a pullback into the zone. 1 hour will probably go bullish. Yeah, 1 hour will probably go bullish. This is the lower high, and this down here the lower low. If we pull back into the zone, we'll probably close above the lower high, making 1 hour bullish. If that happens, I will then wait for a shift of structure. If I get an engulfing, take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhat above the zone or just above the 1 hour lower high, and take profit will be at this line right here. Why? Because on the daily it's respected. Whenever we're above, price tends to go up. It only happened once, but still counts. And back here too, does a pretty good job holding price down. USD JPY, weekly bearish, daily bearish, and 4 hour bearish. I'm gonna wait for a pullback into the zone, retest around psychological level 900, retest the previous structure point, and the zone is very respected. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, and probably more to the left. Very strong area of interest, and 4 hour will remain bearish when we pull back into the zone. Very nice. The more time frames we have in sync, the better. And 1 hour will probably go bullish. It has to go bullish to create this pullback, and it's bullish right now. So we will continue creating higher highs and higher lows, and then once it shifts structure, when it gets to this area of interest, I will then take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere above the zone. Take profit one will be at the weekly structure point. It's probably the same structure point as the daily. Yep. If we look at the left, whenever price is above, it tends to go up. For example, right here went up, and back here too, quick break, retest, and price went up. NZD JPY, I don't like whatever this is, bruh. Weekly bearish, daily bearish, and the 4 hour is bullish. This was the higher high. higher low. We body candle close above, making this the new higher high. I'm gonna wait for a shift of structure on the 4 hour. This create a new higher high, shift bearish, and then pull back. On this pullback, I'll go down to the 1 hour. 1 hour will probably go bullish to create this pullback, and once it shift structure, take the trade. Stop loss will be somewhere above the zone, and take profit. Take profit one will be at the weekly structure point. Final take profit daily structure point right here. Easy. GBP CAD. GBP CAD weekly bullish, daily also bullish. This the higher high, and this down here the higher low. 4 hour is bearish. This the lower high, this the lower low. Since we got weekly and daily bullish, I don't have to wait for 4 hour to go bullish. So if 4 hour breaks, retest this, even if it don't close above the lower high, making it bullish, I must still take the trade. If 1 hour on this 4 hour pullback goes bullish, stop loss will be somewhere under the zone. Take profit one will be right here, and the final take profit will be up here. I mean, realistically speaking, I don't think price will make it all the way up here in just 1 week. I don't think one weekly candle could do all of that. So the farthest I think price will go is probably this line right here, and then reverse, close as a doji or something. It could happen though. It's a possibility. USD CAD weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4 hour also bearish. I'm gonna wait for a pullback into the zone. 1 hour will go bullish to create this pullback. Once it shift to structure, I then take the trade. Stop loss will be above the zone. Take profit will be down here at the weekly structure. I mean at the daily structure point. Is that the same structure point as the day, the weekly? Yep. But I don't think this could play out in just 1 week. I don't think we could have this pullback in just 1 week and then the move in the same week. Could happen. I think it will play out like, which pair was it? USD JPY. Yeah, NZD CAD. I think it will play out like NZD CAD. 1 week pullback, and now the next week will probably create the new lower low. And on USD CAD, that's what I think will happen. 1 week pullback, and the next create the new lower low. It could happen. We could do this in the same week, considering the huge wicks that have been happening. Considering this right here. That's it for my analysis. Please like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you actually find these videos helpful, and good luck with your trades. I will see you next week.